देवी और सज्जनों, अब हम आप सबको बेसिक एनिमल हस्बेंड्री स्टैटिस्टिक्स 2025 की तरफ लिए चलते हैं। BAHS 2025 एक फ्लैगशिप स्टैटिस्टिकल दस्तावेज है जो पशुधन क्षेत्र के बारे में व्यापक और भरोसेमंद जानकारी प्रदान करता है। यह जानकारी 1 मार्च 2024 से 28 फरवरी 2025 तक किए गए इंटीग्रेटेड सैंपल सर्वे के परिणामों पर आधारित है। दिस सर्वे, the only one of its kind in the country that generates critical estimates of major livestock products such as milk, eggs, meat and wool, is going to be launched shortly. These estimates serve as essential inputs for evidence-based policy formulation in the livestock sector. I will now request the Honorable Minister of State to please release the Basic Animal Husbandry Statistics 2025. Can we please provide the books to all our dignitaries? देवी और सज्जनों, आप सभी के काम में महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी प्रदान करने वाला ये BAHS 2025 सर्वे और उसकी बुकलेट का इनॉग्रेशन करते हुए हमारे तमाम मुख्य अतिथि जो मंच पर इस वक्त मौजूद हैं।
The Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying presents the Basic Animal Husbandry Statistics 2025, the country's official livestock data compendium. India's livestock data backbone is the Integrated Sample Survey, which is now fully digital through the ELIS web and mobile platform. This end-to-end system enables seamless, season-wise data collection across every level, state, district, block and village, ensuring accuracy and real-time monitoring. Moving to the production estimates for 2024 to 2025, we begin with milk, India's largest livestock commodity. India remains the world's largest milk producer, with total production reaching 248 million tons, marking 3.58% growth over last year. Per capita milk availability stands at 485 grams per day. The leading states, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra, together contribute over 54% of national output. Species-wise, buffalo and crossbred cattle continue to be the dominant contributors. Next is egg production, where India continues its upward trajectory. India produced 149.11 billion eggs, ranking second globally with annual growth of 4.44%. Per capita availability has reached 106 eggs per year. Commercial poultry accounts for 84% of total production, while the leading states, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, West Bengal and Karnataka, together contribute nearly 2/3 of the country's output. For meat production, India recorded 10.50 million tons, placing the country fourth in the world with 2.46% growth over the previous year. The major contributing states, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, account for 57% of total production. Species-wise, poultry meat continues to lead India's meat basket. In the case of wool, India produced 34.57 million kilograms, registering 3% growth compared to last year, indicating a steady positive trend in the sector. Together, these indicators highlight the scale, performance and resilience of India's livestock sector.